Hope you are doing well today. So today we are going to see how we can download and install Microsoft Office 2021 for free without downloading it from a torrent website or from anywhere from third party. We will see how we can download freely from Microsoft official website, and we can see how we get the free license as well. So let's get started without any delay. So we'll need to download two files. The first one is the XML file, the second one is the .exe file. So start with the XML file. I'll be providing these links below. You can download, you can click on this link, open this website. These links are for Office customization tool. The other one is for Office deployment tool. Let's start with Office customization tool. Once you hit this URL, you will come to this page, and here you can see product and releases. From this, you select the architecture of your system that you have. I have 64-bit. I am using 64-bit system, so I'll be selecting 64-bit. From the products, you can select Office suites. From this one here, you can see Office suite. So you need to select here Office LTSC Professional Plus 2021 volume license. Select this, and you can leave this Visio as empty, project as empty. Then additional products, select language pack. After selecting language pack, hit to the update channel. Select the update channel as a this one, whatever it is coming, like Office LTC 2021 Perpetual Enterprise, version as latest. From the apps, you can select all the apps you want. Access, I don't use Access, so I'm not going to install it. OneNote, PowerPoint, Word, Excel, OneDrive, Outlook, Publisher, I don't want Publisher. Okay, once you do this, select next. Okay, coming to languages, select your primary languages. I'm going to select English here, United States. Okay, if you want to select additional languages, you can select from here. Otherwise, click on next. From installation, you need to select Office Content Delivery Network here. Leave that as default. If not selected, just click on this and show the installation to the user, and then select next. Okay, after selecting next, you see here update and upgrade. From here, we'll keep all the values as default. We don't want to change anything. Okay, one more thing here. If you have Office installed already, you need to uninstall that. Okay, so I have already uninstalled. I don't have Office in my system, so I'm going to select this and then click on next. From here, license product key. If you have MAK key, you can select that, but we do not have any key. We are going to use free, so we will select this KMS and then click on next. From general, we don't need to do anything. Just click on next, and then from this, just click on finish. Once this is done, click on export here. And what you need to select after these three: default file format, keep the current settings, Office, open XML formats, or open document formats. We want in Office open XML formats. Okay, select Office open XML format, press on OK. Once you do this, click on this file name, keep as configuration, click on export. Once you export this, it is going to download this file here in downloads. Now let's do the second step. Second step, we will need to download Office deployment tool. I will be providing these links in the description, and as well as the steps to perform all of these steps. Click on this link, click on this download button. Once you click on download button, it is going to download this deployment file. Once this is downloaded, it will come to a downloads folder. Okay, once these steps are done, we will need one folder. Let me open my downloads folder here. I have this download folder. I have this configuration file here, configuration.xml. So let me cut this file, and I'll go to the desktop here. And from the desktop, I already have a lot of folders. You can see here. So I'm going to create one new folder here and give a name as a Office 2021 here, and paste this. So we have pasted configuration.xml file. We will also need the other file that we have downloaded. So I have it in the another programs. I'll simply right click on it and run this file as an administrator. So once you do that, after running it, it will show you this kind of a page. Just select on this terms and conditions and click on continue. Then it is going to ask which folder you want to extract these files. So I want these files to be extracted in the downloads. So in the downloads, let's create one new folder here. Give name as a office and press OK. So once the files are extracted successfully, go to that office folder here that we just created here. Copy this setup.exe file. Once you copy this, go to your desktop, go to this office folder that we have created here, office 2021, and paste this folder. Okay, once these steps are done, now we need to open our command prompt. So press the window button from your keyboard, and from here just type cmd. Once you type cmd, here the option is coming run as administrator. Click on it, select the yes, and then you will see a command prompt here like this. Okay, yeah, so we have this command prompt. Now we need this path. So wait, let's do one thing. Click on this url kind of a box here. Let's copy the path, open the command prompt again here, and type cd and paste the path that we have copied, and then hit enter. Okay, so now I am inside this path office 2021. So we need to see all the files if they are in the correct order. So just hit dir command and press enter, and there you can see we have two files, configuration.xml and setup.exe. Once if you can see these two files are there, then what we need to do, we need to run a command that I'll be typing in the description. So from that you can copy. So you need to type setup configure, then configuration.xml. So C is capital. Once this is done, setup slash configure configuration.xml, then press enter. So once you press enter, it is going to start downloading the Microsoft Office 2021. So setup has been started here. As you can see, we are getting things ready. It is going to take some time, and you can see this Office installation has been started. It will take some time to install the Office completely. Let's wait for that. So it is almost done. We'll wait for some time as well. So once this process is done, the Microsoft Office will be installed successfully. Then we will see if we get a license or if it is asking for license key. So you can see now the Office has been successfully installed. Click on this Windows icon here, and then you will see there is Microsoft 365. But here if you scroll down, you will have this Excel as well as Word and other that we have installed. So let's open this Excel. Okay, so you can see the Excel has come up here, and let's open this workbook 1. So you can see I have this Excel here. Let's check the account. Go to click on this account option here, and you can see the product has been successfully activated, right? Microsoft Office LTSC Professional Plus, and it is activated, you can see, right? So this was all about this video. If you feel this video is helpful for you, please hit a comment, hit a like, as well as subscribe the channel. Thank you.